Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to fix Google Play Store not working on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung phone and open the Settings app. This is the main hub where you can manage apps, network, display, and almost everything about your device. Step 2. Scroll down all the way and tap on Apps. This menu lists all the applications installed on your phone, both system apps and downloaded ones. Step 3. At the top, use the search bar and type Google Play Store. Once you find it, tap to open. Scroll down and select Storage. Inside, you'll see two important options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap both options one by one to reset the app's stored information. Don't worry, this won't delete your apps, just temporary files. Step 4. Go back to the apps list. Search for Google Play services and repeat the exact same process. Open Storage, then clear both cache and data. This step is crucial since Google Play services works hand in hand with the Play Store. Step 5. After clearing the data, go back again to the Google Play Store app settings. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu and choose Uninstall Updates. This will roll back the Play Store to its factory version. Step 6. Finally, restart your phone. Once it powers back on, open the Google Play Store again, and also make sure to log into your Google account. It should automatically update itself to the latest version, and you can try downloading or updating app slashes. By clearing cache, data, and uninstalling updates, most Play Store errors on Samsung devices can be fixed. If it still doesn't work, make sure your internet connection is stable or check for system updates. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.